gotta be in the club. We could dance it up in the hotel lobby. We don't need a lot of fancy stuff.
Ito po
Just
yung
give me some of that feel good coffee.
gabi na kung saan tayo ay magkita-kita para alalahanin yung mga panahon na magkakasama pa kayo.
You mood. Got that electric feeling. Got a vibe. Got that electric feeling. Got that electric feeling.
Max 2000, I love you.
Hashtag UCHS Body Outside.
Sunshine by the pool. Ooh yeah, you mood. Got that electric feeling. Got a vibe. Got that electric feeling. Got that electric
Reminiscing high school life, lahat po tayo ginagawa yan, lahat po ng batches. Looking back, kagaya ng sinabi ko, look back to your teachers and don't stop there. You have to give back.
Got that electric feeling. Got a vibe. Got that electric feeling. Got that electric feeling. Feel that electric feeling.
Ma'am, maraming salamat po mula po sa aming mga dati niyo pong mga anak. Hanggang ngayon, ituturing niyo pa rin pong mga anak. Maraming salamat.
Feel that electric feeling.